I do think that dismissing the DA is not the collaborative approach we need.
Tonight, some Multnomah County commissioners are responding to changes proposed by District Attorney Nathan Vasquez to the county's deflection program. Yesterday, Vasquez said if the county doesn't collaborate on changes to the program, he will bring charges against its participants anyway.
Today, his spokesperson saying he's hopeful and optimistic county leaders will come to the table. K2's Christina Giardinelli live now at the Deflection Center with some responses from the county. And Vasquez was not consulted when the program was built, right?
Steve, yeah, that is right. His predecessor, Mike Schmidt, was at the table for those decisions, but he didn't cede the seat to Vasquez once it was clear that he had won the election. Now, Vasquez has been real clear that he doesn't approve of the program's leniency from the start, and now some county commissioners are saying they're on board with changes while others remain tight-lipped. Data shows most people taken by police to the deflection center walk away without engaging. Some county commissioners like Megan Moyer are on board with District Attorney Nathan Vasquez's calls for change to the deflection program.
This is a completely appropriate time to look and say, now that we have a year's worth of data, how did it go? It is my perception that it did not lead enough people to substantially improve their life.
That data showing only 31% of people engage with the program's first step by taking a substance use disorder assessment. Fewer people, still only 18%, successfully complete the program by calling one treatment provider. People taken there are offered deflection as an alternative to drug charges, but are allowed to walk away with no charges if they decide not to engage. Vasquez wants to change that and says he'll file charges with or without the county's support. Moyer says she wants the county to involve him in a conversation about needed changes.
He is the district attorney. I respect his role and his that office's right to decide how they proceed on criminal charges. So, I don't want to armchair quarterback a role that I'm not qualified to take on. But I do have concerns about the feasibility of his approach.
They can reach a compromise and wants to see County Chair Jessica Vega Peterson take this up in public meetings. County Commissioner Julia Brim-Edwards was not available for an interview, but agrees changes are needed and wants Vasquez to help draft them. County Commissioner Jessica Vega Peterson has declined an interview request on Tuesday and on Wednesday. She did not answer when we asked her if she would share individuals' deflection engagement information with Vasquez. Commissioner Shannon Singleton declined to comment. Commissioner Vince Jones-Dixon has not yet replied. Now, we will continue following up and trying to get answers on how the county will proceed with this, since Vasquez is saying he'll file charges anyway. We'll bring you the latest as soon as we have it. For now, live in Southeast Portland, Christina Giardinelli, K2 News.
All right. Thank you, Christina, for that. And DA Vasquez's new proposed plan will require more from those eligible for deflection. His office is seeking collaboration with health departments and law enforcement to establish standards for meaningful engagement and treatment. Police will also submit investigative reports for review. People who leave without assessment could face prosecution. The DA's office will monitor participants for 90 instead of 30 days. And a memo obtained by Katu said the goal is to create a compassionate and effective system that meets community expectations and addresses addiction-related harms.